Hi, welcome to Stock View. Today we are going to see Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals. As the name suggests, Chambal Fertilizers is into chemicals and fertilizers. They make a lot of seeds, pesticides, and also their presence in textiles and shipping goods. So agriculture mainly is their focus. They have some brands of they deal with some brands of pesticides that is essential for agriculture. Agriculture is growing. It will be never ending demand, but the company's performance, we have to see how it performs and whether this is a default choice for the farmers. We have to check that. And the metrics as we see here, today's high is 418 and low is 410, and 52-week high is 742, and 52-week low is 410. All-time high is also 742. So all-time high is reached within this last 52 weeks. And TTM PE is around 8.94, which is a lower PE compared to sector PE of 23. So we can say this stock is an attractive valuation. Strengths also, there are effectively using shareholders fund, and the promoter is decreasing their shareholding. So this weakness is important. Actually, promoter, if they keep reducing the stock, it is not a good sign for the company. Promoter may sell off the shares and may not be much concentrating and working towards the company. But we don't know the case. That there can be some genuine cases also. We don't know. So we have to keep an eye on this also. And the threats also, they are selling with strong volumes. Many of these people are selling at a strong volumes. You can see the next price chart. You uh, it has from 750 742, it has come down to 415 within the short period of 4 or 5 months, within 6 months. So that much of selling is going on this stock. Whether it is they have selling, what exactly the reason, we don't know. We have to find out some news and the events. But the stock is at the attractive valuation, and this Chambal fertilizer I have seen for some time, quite some time. It has given a good return and consolidation. So that's why I have thought I will bring this for the discussion today. And on the analyst rating, as we see here, 50% are saying buy, and price performance, as you see here, this is a beaten down stock. You see, for the past 1 year also, it is 21% negative. 3 years, it is 35% positive. That is a good, but it has been beaten down so much. That's why I thought it is wise to think considering this at a very, 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 very small quantities. On this technicals, as we see, pivot point is 424, and the resistance, as you see here, 430 to 446. Support is 414 to 398. And simple moving average is 20 days it is 446, and 200 days is 553. And public opinion, as we see here, 100% buy criteria was given, and we can also go through the posts from public to understand how much enough stuff is left on the stock. Opinion also we can go through, but the stock is at a very low price as of now. I guess it is near to 52-week low. And financials, as we see here, there is a slight decrease in revenue. There is a big difference also between 2023 and 2025. This kind of thing has reduced the price of the stock. So now why we are going to consider is the company is well established. It has given some good returns in the past, and the shareholder is reducing the stock slowly. If the shareholder is willing to sell this brand to some some other people, then if the buyer is going to improve, then it may increase. Otherwise, we have to see how whether how the other investors are interested, and whether there will be any OFS or something to increase the stock. Shareholding pattern, as we see here, shareholding almost 60 percentage is by the promoter. So that could be the reason he is selling little bit. So that doesn't mean that stock is going to he's going to wash his hands from the stock. Nothing like that. And FII is 18 percentage. That is a significant volume. So that is good. Public. So public also holding significant portion, 12 percentage. Peer comparison, we can compare with the governmental in Fet and Tata Chemicals, Paradeep. So these are all the some of the top peers comparison. Among these, this is fairly valuated as the PE is 8. This is the lowest PE that we have. Conclusion, stock trading at a fair valuation can consider one or two quantities on dip with some certain risk associated, because this stock may still go down. So we should have that courage. For longer term, we are going to invest. We can buy one number and then wait for every month one number, like that we can plan. And also we have to see the performance and decide for the further purchases. Thank you.